What if you could start bioinformatics today, even with zero coding? In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how to start from zero. Most beginners feel confused because there are too many tools and no clear direction. But I will simplify everything for you. Bioinformatics is where biology meets data and computing. It is used in medicine, research, and modern science breakthroughs. It helps scientists track diseases and understand genetic information. And yes, you can start even as a beginner. Start by understanding DNA, genes, and proteins. Then, learn how biological data, such as sequences and genomes, work. Use databases like NCBI, UniProt, and GenBank. This is where most beginners get it wrong. Start with BLAST. It helps you easily compare and identify sequences. You can also learn the basics of Python to improve your skills. If coding feels hard, use beginner-friendly platforms like Galaxy. Follow a simple roadmap. Learn, practice, and grow. Practice with small projects every day. Start with a simple project using DNA sequences and BLAST. Feeling stuck is normal. Consistency is the key to growth. This skill can open doors to global opportunities. Bioinformatics is the future of science. Start small and grow step by step. EduInteract AI is here to guide your journey. Subscribe now to eduinteractai.org and begin your bioinformatics journey today.